You won't believe these incredible animals are gone forever. First up, Western Black Rhinoceros. Officially declared extinct in 2011, this majestic rhino species fell victim to relentless poaching and habitat loss. Then, the Formosan Clouded Leopard. Native to Taiwan, it was declared extinct in the wild in 2013 due to deforestation and hunting. And the Splendid Poison Frog. This brilliantly colored amphibian from Central America was declared extinct in 2020, primarily due to habitat loss and disease. Thanks for watching.